Hey Greg.
Hey Max.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. We see you doing some flying today, that's great, but I hear you lost a drone?
I actually lost a plane. I actually lost one of these. This is my backup timber.
Right.
Sorry, my backup mini apprentice, and I lost my primary mini apprentice.
What happened to it?
It blew away.
So it was a windy day.
It was about 35 kilometers an hour. I was a little bit too ambitious, and this is a very light plane, probably weighs about 700 grams, 800 grams. And I did not lose control of the. I didn't lose control of the receiver.
It just couldn't get back to the wind.
It literally blew it away. It literally blew away.
You know where it went?
Yeah, like way down there, in between, after that valley, after that little hill, to those pines at the back.
Well, we got a drone with us. We'll see if we can find it.
All right, great. Let me know. Fingers crossed.
Here we are. We're driving to the approximate area where the drone, or sorry, the plane was lost. And with me is new member Jeff. We're actually using Jeff's drone because I didn't bring mine. But Jeff's got a new DJI Mavic with zoom. And we're gonna head down to like roughly in there where we could park close to the site where he said it was lost, and then we'll search around there. Here we go. Away you go. How's it looking?
Some more altitude.
All right, and then start, when you're ready, start in orbit and see, look for anything white. Jeff and I have located the plane. We hovered the drone over top of the plane, and we just walked towards the drone, and here it is. There's our drone, there's our plane. There's Jeff's drone, and success.
All right.
I got it, I'll take that. You can fly that drone. I got it, Jeff.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, how much battery time have you got?
Battery time.
Hey Jeff, so how does it feel, your first day at our club, your first flight with the drone, finding a lost airplane?
Just one word, Max, satisfying.
Good
Wow.
stuff, good stuff. Now let's go show Greg and see the look on his face.
Let's do that.